Welcome to today's video. If you are using the Bluesky app and want to save or back up your account information, this guide will show you exactly how to export your data securely. Understanding how to download and store your account file. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, look at the top left and tap on the three horizontal. Then tap on the Settings menu. From there, go to the Account section. Then scroll down until you see the option labeled Export My Data. Tap on it, and the app will give you the choice to download. Finally, tap on Download CAR file. Then select Use this folder, and if any permissions pop up, simply click Allow. Your account data will now be saved to your device for safekeeping. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.